Here's a little walk around video of our 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser First Edition. This is a completely redesigned body style. I think it looks great. And this is a first edition, so not very many of these were made. Not very many Land Cruisers are made in general, and certainly not the first edition. Let's take a look. Of course, all the safety features: blind spot detection, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, beautiful leather seating, power seating. Heated and ventilated seats. Nice sunroof. Let's take a look at the back seat. Nice big back seat. And this thing is absolutely beautiful. And that is our 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser First Edition.